It's finally time to upload some code to an Arduino. I tend to use a phone for the final uploading and troubleshooting because the compile is much quicker. The laptop's great for doing more major editing. So on this code I have made a few changes. Some of the pins are different, and I've also gone back to a standard servo library because before I had an analog read in an interrupt, and that was causing issues with the timing, so I used a PWM servo library. Now I fixed that because I've got two inputs instead of one now, so they're digital reads. So let's compile and upload. I'll put it on the bike and see if it will come to life. So that should be done. Yep, finished. Just check the serial monitor, and yep, it's sending out something. So let's go and put it on the bike. Okay, ready for the big moment. I'm going to switch it on, and I'm not sure if this is going to work. In theory it should do. There's only one way to find out. And it does indeed. It's obviously going to need a bit of fine tuning, and I'm going to need to take it for a ride to get the ratio against servo position equation so I can set up the shifting properly, but that actually works. Just been for a very quick test ride, just up and down the road a little bit, and what a feeling, whoa. It's just amazing. Been logging some data on here. I mean, the equations and everything are massively out because obviously I'm using 150 degrees of the servo's rotation instead of near 180, and the PID is also a bit aggressive as well, so there's a bit of oscillation, but that's easily fixed with a bit of spreadsheet work, and we'll get this shifting nicely. It's very responsive, the servo actually. It's a really fast one, so it's really good. The whole bike just feels so responsive and nice.